invite the possibility of what would it look like to give yourself permission to just feel the disjointed and wonky and in the middle of a yoga class. And for anyone, if you're in that place of like, God, no matter what I'm doing right now, like the breathing exercises aren't working, none of this is working, and you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, disjointed, like take a deep breath. And I give myself permission to feel totally disjointed. Here I'm in yoga. This is me, just disjointed as fuck. And just be allow the full feeling of the disjointed, because that disjointed is also telling you something, right? It's also here with a purpose. So when we can welcome it in instead of resisting it, it has the possibility of feeling the feeling. Now it can move through your body, and you might not even have to do anything. And suddenly halfway through the class or whatever it is, after you've accepted and given yourself permission, just be in that thing, it's not there anymore, right? It's like you're operating from a completely different place because it just needed to move through.